The Australian motocross community is in mourning after motocross rider Joel Evans has tragically passed away following a crash at the Elite MX1 race of the Pro Motocross Championship in South Australia on Sunday. The 30-year-old sustained injuries in a solo bike accident at Gilman Speedway. Motorcycle Australia MA for short, announced that the event was called off as the incident demanded the complete attention of trackside medical resources. Emergency responders rushed Evans to the hospital, but MA confirmed on Monday that he sadly passed away on Sunday night. Now, obviously, this is really sad. You never want to see anybody get injured, but you never want to see anybody get killed. And there's not much really to say about this. It's one of those freak things. One day he's doing exactly what he loves, and the next day he's gone. Um, I don't know. You can go to his Instagram, I guess, and leave well wishes or whatever to his family. If anything comes up in the way of a GoFundMe, Road to Recovery, whatever it's going to be, I'll end up making a update to this and putting that in the description. But for the minute, this is just a really sad day and really sad week in general for injuries, and I don't know, just one of those things that sadly comes along with the sport, and hopefully it doesn't happen anymore.